Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. Okay, this is a buyers area. Place a higher option. I'm expecting to make a retracement candle. That's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm expecting candle closing point giving above my entry point. Why? Because and this is a sellers area. Okay, let's see. Have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is a winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, there is no opportunity. Okay, we'll place a higher option. I'm expecting to make another bullish candle. This is a very strong candle. That's why reason I place a higher option also. And there is no nearby sellers area. But some round number at here. Okay, but this is a very strong candle. That's why reason I place a higher option. Let's see. And this is a very strong rejection point. Next point at here. Okay, you can see buyers reach the resistance level. Let's see, we have 5 seconds only. And this also winning trade. Have check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Why? Because this is a buyer rejection and this is a momentum. This is a market momentum. Okay, after this buyer rejection some buyers enter the market. I'm expecting. That's why reason I place a higher option. Major trend is uptrend market. Can see this is a buyer's area also. Next sellers entry point at here. Okay, if you like my analysis, try to hit the like button and subscribe button. And this also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, this candle reached this level. I have tried to place a lower option, but there is no took the higher option. Why? Because this is a minor level. Sometimes it's giving a okay, I'll place a higher option, some margin safety trade. This also I'm expecting rejection candle. That's why reason I place a higher option. Why? Because this is a very strong rejection area. Can see previously it's make a rejection and this also rejection and this also rejection. Very strong buyers area. And this also very strong bullish candle. That's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, but very strong sellers enter the market. This is a sellers area also. Okay, and this is a loss of my trade. Don't worry, how easily recovered this trade. Okay, we'll place a lower option. I'm expecting to make another bearish candle. Okay, and this is a buyer's area and some buyer's entry, some seller's entry, some strong buyer's entry, again strong seller's entry. And this is a downtrend market. Okay, so that's why reason I place a lower option. It's make a new low, next level at here. Okay, it's a buyer's entry, next buyer's entry point at here, not here. You can see how draw the lines. This is a level, this is a level. Okay, next buyer's entry point at here. Can see again some sellers enter the market. And this also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, I'll place a higher option, and this is a buyer's area. Strong rejection point, strong rejection, some buyers. That's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, I'm expecting bullish candle. This is a minor level. Okay, it's a very strong buying force. That's why reason I place a higher option. Let's see how 5 seconds only. And this also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, actually okay, actually I'm place a protection trades. Okay, I'll place a higher option. This is a protection trades, and I'm expecting this candle closing point, this middle of the entry points. Why? Because this is a buyer's entry point, and this is a seller's area. Now I'm expecting make a retrace. I'm expecting make a this type of bearish candle. That's why reason I place a again protection trades, and this also winning trade. Why? Because previously I'm not observed this previous strong levels. The single bullish candle, again some sellers make a retracement. You can see after this candle some sellers make a retracement. After this seller after this bullish candle some sellers make a retracement candle. So that's why reason again I'm expecting make a bearish candle. That's why reason I took this protection trade, and this also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, there is no confident, but this is a very strong bullish candle. This is a level. Okay, it's going up. And this is a late entry. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll place a 6 trades, all are winning trades. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.